In the fast-paced world of custom imprinting, a professional and streamlined art approval process is critical. A smooth approval process keeps orders moving, prevents costly errors, and ensures that customers get exactly what they expect. But keeping track of design changes and customer feedback, that's where things get tricky. That's why we've added a version control feature in GraphicsFlow art approvals. This tool lets you easily upload, track, and compare different versions of a design. How does version control help? Tracking and comparing artwork versions. Upload the initial design, submit revisions, and compare versions side by side to track changes and approvals. Streamlining client communication. Automatically notify clients when a new version is uploaded, speeding approvals without manual follow-ups. Restoring a previously rejected version. Allow clients to approve an earlier version without re-uploading files. Documenting design revisions. Keep a detailed history of updates and revision requests to ensure brand consistency and reduce errors. Here's how version control works. If a client asks for a revision, maybe a color change or a slight tweak to the layout, you no longer need to manually track changes or juggle multiple email threads. I'm logged into GraphicsFlow as an admin. I've created an art approval with a design. The creation and sending process for art approvals remains the same as before. Using the share function, I can send the art approval to the client, enter their email, choose the permission level, in this case, comment and approve. I can also copy the link into an email that I create in my own email software. The customer will receive an email with a link to open and view the art approval in their browser. I'm currently in the client view. The view will look slightly different than the admin view in GraphicsFlow. Super important, version control is not available until an admin or a client rejects a line item in an art approval. I'm going to reject the art approval and I'll be prompted to indicate a reason and provide comments. Rejecting will activate the version control feature and enable the admin to add an additional version. The admin will be notified via email that the design was rejected. The admin can then access the art approval by clicking on the link in the email or directly in GraphicsFlow. You can add a new version right inside the approval. Just hover over the design and select New Version. This feature is not available until the art approval is rejected by either the admin or the client. You can upload from your computer or choose from My Art or Stock Art. After adding the new art, the original version is labeled Original and the latest is labeled Newest. I added a new version from My Art. All versions stay neatly organized in Shelf View. In the Details view, you can compare them side by side with a larger view and review important details like comments, color information, and timestamps for each version. This workflow remains the same every time a new version is added. You or your client can approve a previously rejected version. I'm going to approve this version, but then go back and approve a previous version. This would be the workflow if a customer changes their mind. Approving a previous version will automatically reject the currently approved or pending versions. You'll need to click through a confirmation message when you switch approved versions. Only one version can ever be approved at a time. To keep everyone in sync, GraphicsFlow will enable you to notify clients and team members via email when a new version is available. Just select the Share button and choose Send Update Notification. This new notification option is in addition to the Resend Art Approval notification. All timeline events for version updates are captured to keep everyone informed. Just scroll down to the bottom of the art approval. The art approval timeline will record if the email is opened, any comments that have been made, and if the art approval has been approved or rejected. The new process was built to be straightforward and intuitive without adding unnecessary complexity that you see in other art approval systems. Let's recap the major benefits of the new version control feature. Eliminate manual tracking. Keep all design versions organized in one place. Reduce miscommunication. A full version history means no more lost feedback. Speed up approvals. Clients get automatic updates when new versions are ready. Improve accuracy. No more second guessing which file is the latest. Increase flexibility. Clients can approve previously rejected versions if needed. With fewer errors and faster approvals, you can focus on what matters, delivering amazing designs and growing your business. GraphicsFlow Art Approval Version Control is a powerful new feature designed to simplify your artwork approval process and keep your shop running efficiently. For more information, visit GraphicsFlow.com or reach out to your GraphicsFlow success team.